Hey guys, so today I have my first update for my A through Z project pan. This project pan runs from the 1st of January until December 31st, so we have a whole year to complete it. Sorry I'm a little sick, but I needed to film this video and get it put up, so. It has 26 items and you pick a item for each letter of the alphabet. So it has to start with that letter, either the name of it or what the product is. Or for the harder letters, it has to be somewhere in the name of it. So, exciting things first, I do have an empty. This is my It Cosmetics Brow Power, and this was for the letter I. That's exciting because we're only 1 month in, and honestly I do not like this brow pencil. The formula of it is fine, but it has a very, it's an oval tip, and I did not like that. I either like a very fine one or one that's kind of shaped like a triangle, if that makes sense. So yeah, I definitely was not a fan of this, so I am glad that it is out of my collection. Okay, so I'm just going to talk about some of the items that I have progress on, so I'm not boring you guys with all 26, but I will have the rest of the products linked down in the description box. So the first item that I want to talk about is this Kierin Sunday Brunch perfume. This is for the letter K. So I do have some pretty good progress. Last month I was up here at this line and now I'm down here. So I have some pretty decent progress considering that I've been using other perfumes as well. And I do really love the smell of this perfume, so I might potentially look into buying it. It depends on what the price of it is. It seems like every time I fall in love with a scent from Scentbird, it's like a $200 perfume, so we'll have to see. But I am enjoying that product and I would love to have another sample of it. The next item is going to be this Pixie by Petra, Pixie by Petra Endless Silky Eye Pen, and this is in Opal Overcoat. I believe I chose this for the letter O. I really love this. It's nice to layer in your inner corner underneath the highlight, or I even put it underneath any eyeshadow and it just intensifies that shadow. I've had to sharpen it a few times, so I do have some progress on it and I use it quite frequently. So I've had it in my collection for quite a while and have never touched it. The next item is for the letter U, and this is this Way leave-in conditioner. I only wash my hair once a week, so I've only gotten to use this 3 times because I'm not, or 4 times. So, but I do have some progress. Last month I was up here and now I am down here. So I have a little bit of progress, and I'm sure I can finish this before the end of the year, because in the summer I do wash my hair more like 2 times a week, so it'll speed up a little bit more in the summertime. The last product that I'm going to show you is this Hemp's Sweet Pineapple and Honey Melon. This is for the letter Z because of the Z at the end. I should be finished with this, honestly. I just have not been using it. I have not been moisturizing, which is stupid because I really should. I live in Michigan and it's freezing and we are having crazy weather. Like last week it was like -40, and then like a couple days later it was like 40 degrees, so it was like almost 100 degree difference. Just been really crazy weather here lately, so I really should be moisturizing more than I am. But I do have a little bit of progress. I was up here last month, and now I am down to here. I know it kind of slants like this in the bottle, so I kind of just took it to where I think it would even out at. So I do have a little bit of progress on that, but I'm hoping that I can have more, and I'm hoping that by next month I can finish it. That's what I'm going to make my goal, is that I really would like to finish this hemp's lotion, because I know I can. I know I really truly could if I actually moisturized every day. So that is everything that I have for this video today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Sorry it is going up so late and that my voice is so groggy right now. Let me know if you guys are doing this video. I would love to check out your guys' videos or Instagram posts. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.